Okay, I couldn't find any VMAX tutorials for the VMAX Gen2 on how to take the rear wheel off. So you need to get one of the pit bull stands that's wide enough to fit the spools. So you can jack up the rear of the bike with it in gear. And then I was able to buy one of these SunX tool kits that has a 24 millimeter hex. It's on a 3/4 drive. So you have to buy like a special Craftsman or something, a 3/4 drive sock ratchet. So I started off by taking out the 2 bolts here. Those came out really easy. There's a little plug that goes in here. It's just a little rubber plug. I was able to take the 24 millimeter and loosen that whole shaft that goes. And you can, it only has a couple of threads on it, so you can just loosen that up and then just start to wiggle it out, and it comes all the way out the side of the bike. So then all the rear brake comes off, and the caliper and all that stuff. So I was able to get it loose by taking the sensor, the ABS sensor, off of this piece that was in the middle of the wheel, and then the caliper just drops out. There's a little pin that holds that bracket up in there. So I was able to wiggle it loose. And then I was trying to get the wheel. The wheel just has like these little splines that fit in there. And so once you take the wheel and push it towards this way, it'll unlock and fall down. But then I wasn't able to get with the pit bull stand, it's not tall enough to get the wheel out. So I had to take off the 4 bolts of the license plate bracket holder and just move it to the side, and I was able to get the wheel out. So now I can replace the tire. Pretty short video.